Ever pondered the intricacies of deep learning? It's an intriguing subfield of machine learning, a fascinating realm where artificial neural networks, inspired by the human brain, are trained. These networks, known as deep neural networks, have demonstrated remarkable effectiveness in a multitude of applications. Image and speech recognition, natural language processing, these are but a few of the numerous areas where deep learning shines. At the heart of deep learning lie artificial neural networks. Picture a myriad of interconnected nodes or neurons neatly organized into layers. Each connection between these nodes carries an associated weight, and these weights are delicately adjusted during the training process. Now imagine these neural networks with multiple hidden layers. These are what we call deep neural networks, or DNNs. They excel at learning and representing complex patterns and features in data, making them ideal for tasks involving high-dimensional data and hierarchical feature extraction. The training of these complex networks often employs a process known as backpropagation. It's a method where the network refines its weights by calculating the gradient of the loss function in relation to the weights, using optimization techniques like gradient descent. Each neuron in a neural network typically applies an activation function to its input. These activation functions, such as the sigmoid or ReLU, rectified linear unit, introduce nonlinearity to the model, enhancing its ability to learn from diverse data. There are also specialized types of deep neural networks. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, are designed for tasks like image and video analysis. They use convolutional layers to automatically learn and detect patterns in two-dimensional data, making them a powerful tool for computer vision tasks. Then we have recurrent neural networks, or RNNs. These are designed for sequence data. Think time series, text, and speech. They possess connections that loop back on themselves, which allows them to maintain and update internal states based on previous inputs. Long short-term memory and gated recurrent unit, or LSTM and GRU, are specialized RNN architectures. They can capture long-range dependencies and sequences, making them particularly useful for tasks like machine translation and speech recognition. Transfer learning is another key aspect of deep learning. It's a technique where pre-trained deep learning models are adapted to new tasks. It's an effective way to leverage the knowledge gained from large datasets and architectures for specific applications with limited data. Last but not least, we have generative adversarial networks, or GANs. These consist of a generator and a discriminator, two deep neural networks trained in competition. GANs are used to generate synthetic data, such as images or text, and have applications in image synthesis, style transfer, and more. And to summarize, deep learning is a dynamic and evolving field that has made significant advances in various domains, including computer vision, natural language processing, speech recognition, and reinforcement learning. Its applications continue to expand, impacting sectors like autonomous vehicles, healthcare, finance, and more. Deep learning is undoubtedly shaping the future of artificial intelligence, and it's exciting to imagine what's next.